The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a fantastic drone. Buying this drone is one of the most exciting things you can do. You see all these amazing videos taken with this drone, so you decide to save up to buy it. And then that day finally comes, you take it out of the box, you fly it, but your video footage, it turns out like this. So you watch thousands of videos trying to figure out what you're doing wrong, but remembering all this information and settings when out flying, it's just impossible. You hear about pro video settings, ND filters, gain, expo tuning, ISO, shutter speeds, night video mode, obstacle avoidance sensors, DJI Goggles 3, JPEG and RAW photos. It's just far too much to remember. So to combat this, around 8 months ago, I designed my Mini 4 Pro cheat sheets, a digital download you could keep with you on your phone, your iPad, tablet. But I listened to the feedback as well. What if you don't have a phone or an iPad? You want a physical sheet, but you don't want to print out all of those digital downloads. So I didn't just want to print out the digital sheets and post them out to you. I wanted to create something special. So I've been working on this in the background for some time now, and I'm really excited to show you my new product, the Ultimate Settings Guide, in a brand new, fully designed cheat sheet, and this is absolutely incredible. So these are new redesigned cheat sheets which you can take everywhere with you, and it's better than ever. Finding the information now on here is much easier, so you can completely throw away that DJI manual. This is the only guide you're going to need for this phenomenal DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. All these cheat sheets are double-sided, and it starts now with a table of contents which show you all of the different sections it's going to cover, and each section is now color coded, so you can refer to that really easily. On the bottom of every single cheat sheet you will see the different colors, and these cover all of the different drone settings that you need to change immediately. All the new features on the DJI Mini 4 Pro, including active shots, a new DJI Goggles 3 connections, waypoints, color profiles, a full section on my own personal gain and expo settings, pro settings guides, a dedicated pre-flight checklist which is in grey and red, so you can go through all of these different settings before every flight, making sure you've got everything set up correctly before you go off and fly. You also get a full section on the pro photo and video settings to use, a full ND filter guide, and you also get a gold section. This is dedicated to my own personal tips, so talking about composition, flight planning, fail safes, and loads more. And all of these cheat sheets are printed in the highest quality card. All the images and colors just look fantastic. So with all the knowledge you're going to get inside of these cheat sheets, you're never going to forget all of these settings that you need to actually use when flying the Mini 4 Pro, or simply how to get the most out of this, the features to use, the different intelligent flight features, what to do when things go wrong, just how to make your footage look pretty good to looking fantastic, and all that information is in here. So you can fit these inside of your drone bag, a backpack, even your pocket. But I wanted to make sure that these were accessible if you wanted to go on a hike as well. So all these cheat sheets are hole punched with a clip on the top, so you can refer to each one of these sheets really easily. It's basically like an Ultimate Settings Guide book now. It is phenomenal. But you also get a carabiner clip as well, so you can just clip this onto the top of it, and then you can attach this to your backpack. So you've got this with you if you're on a hike, you're going out for a walk. Rather than keep getting this out from your bag, you can have it attached to your bag now as well. This is absolutely a game changer if you own a Mini 4 Pro. So these are absolutely incredible. I put a lot of information and time into making these as best as they possibly could be. So how do you go and pick these up? Well, these are going to be available on my website straight away after this video ends. And currently there's going to be free shipping all around the world if you pick these up as well. Now these are in limited supply. So if you want to go and pick these up, I'd highly recommend you get on these really quick. And also for the first 48 hours, I'm going to give you 20% off. If you type in discount code ULTIMATE in capital letters at checkout, you're going to get 20% off these new cheat sheets as well. The Mini 4 Pro really is a great drone and capable of some insane footage if you're using the right settings. So I really do hope these help you out. Thanks so much for the support if you pick these up. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new around here because we've got loads of content coming really soon, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.